Hey everybody, XJoe81X here, and on the brush today I'm going to be showing you the follow-up to my previous video. That video was a little bit too long and I had some hiccups, so I had to shut her down, upload it, and if you were so kind excuse me, to watch, thank you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a link in the description of this video. So this is a 2019 Toyota Highlander. Basically what I did was purchase AVS vent shades, rain guards, weather guards, however you want to say it. They're in channel. They make ones that go around here. They double stick tape, they go on the silver and they come around. Those are just idiot proof, plus the silver, and it wouldn't look good. So I've always gotten in channel ones. So as you saw in the previous video, I was having trouble. So in a nutshell, what happened was the back two windows are non-automatic. So you could press the button and the window will make its way up. If there's an obstruction, you're pretty much going to hurt the window first. The front two, are automatic down and automatic up. So what that does is when you press the button, it's going to go all the way up into the channel and stop. You don't have to hold it down like the old cars or something. But the safety feature, allegedly, is that if there's an obstruction anywhere, or if you're holding your hand, when you press the automatic up, it'll go, oh, it'll hit that, and it'll hit that and like come back down, and it'll come back down. So the situational awareness is the thickness of this product in conjunction with the channel from the factory, plus the thickness of the glass, was too much. They didn't like to talk to each other. The channel on this car is very thin and basically just lets the glass in, nothing else. So what I had to do, which is more on the driver's side, is I'll show you. Incidentally, I actually had all four doors open at some point, and I had the car in accessory mode. And again, we were totally off camera and at darkness. Actually, could drain the battery, because if you put it in accessory mode, it does the screen and So basically, I will show this to you in a second. So this is the back of the window. So the channel goes into the factory channel, which is basically just like this, and the window will go, you know, hit the channel. The thickness of this, plus the glass, plus the channel, didn't talk because they were automatic. Now this is here because I tinted the windows off camera. I didn't tint them. So see, non-automatic, automatic. So I'm going to show you the back. Put in accessory mode just for a little bit. If I realize I'm getting too talkative, I'll shut her down. Okay, so non-automatic. Okay. Oh, I think this button was pressed, right? Yes. I guess maybe the kids press the button. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. So again, it's hard because the light is the channel. See this like this? This is what I don't like. This is what this does. Show it to you on this side. I don't like it. It's very floppy. Let me see if I could. It's very floppy, so let's just close the window. See? You could let go. Yeah, it's not even a functioning thing. Look, the window comes off. These things are not even gonna work. This video is like, yeah, see? There you go. I don't even know what to do at this point. These things are not gonna work for this car. Okay, yeah. I don't even know. This video's, I don't even know. I'm gonna start the car because, again, I just want to start the car. So, like, if you're driving and you want to open the window for your kids, there you go. Okay, Daddy, shut the window. Sorry. That's what's gonna happen. Look, look. This is what's gonna happen every time my child or me, I want to shut the car. Okay, that's gonna break. It needs to, like, sit out. I mean, what I could do, I can't. I know these are in already. I mean, I could rip them off, but so that's the problem that I'm having, is that it's not, it was never double sticked tape. Sorry, I'm looking at, it was never double sticked on this side. I mean, I could put a little glue in there. How do I say it? Crazy glue, and just have the window like that. I mean, crazy glue is not going to hurt it, but look, this one, like, yeah, there you go. See, it wants to go down. Very, I'm sorry. All thing I could think of is put a little crazy glue on a Q-tip. Yeah. I'm not happy about that. Let's look at the other back, because the fronts are automatic. This is smoother, but at what cost? It's because it's still, it gets like stuck. Yeah, see? So I'm gonna have to take some crazy glue on a Q-tip. I'm gonna have to peel this back with my hand. Okay? I'm gonna have to put it on a piece. I'm gonna have to push it this way, have someone hold it this way. I'm gonna have to put a dab of crazy glue like in there, and then shut the window so it stays, so it doesn't do this. This is what I'm losing, and they did not put tape here. That's my fault. That's my fault. 100% my fault. Whatever. Listen, I'm all for modifying the car. Okay, I'll modify it. I'll put some little crazy glue. It'll stick. You know, I'm not gonna hit it with a hot glue gun. Crazy glue, it'll stick, and then the window, it'll cure in 13 seconds. So now here's the trick. Here's the why the video was so They say to keep these up for 3 days. Obviously, this has no double stick tape. This has no double stick tape. The double stick tape is right here. Fine, no problem. So on this window, there's no double stick tape here. There's double stick tape all around here, and there's a piece of double stick tape right here. So I tried it last night, but okay, so here we are. See this scuff mark? See now the glue, I keep saying the word glue. The double stick tape is now on this channel. So when you move it, it moves the channel. That's what I wanted to mimic on all the back stuff. Okay, now I had to modify this. Because see, look, this does the same thing. So this needs to be glued. Because this is not going to allow the window to do its job. So I had to take a grinder and I had to shear the top thickness to put it in the channel. Yeah, look. Yeah, this is not so stupid. Let's just give you, you know, let's do it automatically because that's fun. Okay, for what it's worth, it went up. I'm not even gonna like flex that issue. It went up because the problem was right here. Now that it's sticky, you know what? Big disclaimer, guys. You need this taped. You need tape here. If it wasn't such a pain in the ass to rip out, I would. But I think it's easier to open the window, throw a couple drops of glue in there, I guess. Whatever. I'm afraid to do the other side. So once again, this did not give me problems, but it was the last part. So sorry. Hello, auto. Oh, auto down? Okay. The auto doesn't work. Oh, maybe it's just... Why is that broken? This is broken. Ha! That's nice. That's very nice. So you can't even roll down the window. So it looks like I burned this out. Plain. Well, that's nice. So the auto function doesn't work. Okay, now it works. Let's go to the other side. Okay, it works. Okay, let me tell you a little secret. I don't know what happened, but it's caught on camera. So I think what happened was right around the time the battery was dead, 7:30, I was getting a little rambunctious. I was getting to the point where I was getting annoyed, I was getting tired. I was getting to the end of the day. And I think what happens with a lot of these new cars, things have to reset themselves. So I basically pressed that button to reset the window, and now it scrolls down. Listen to me, always a computer guy. It goes down. Let's press the button up, and it's not getting stuck on the window. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wrap this video up at 15 minutes. What I'm going to do off camera is somehow justify how to fix this. What would be really nice is to have another pair of hands. I'm going to crazy glue this. I know people are going to be like, wait, you're going to fuck it up. But no, if I push this back and peel back the rubber, I'm going to do what I got to do. Let's get to wrap this up. I didn't even know the passenger side window was for Gotzi. This got to. Thank you for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'm sorry. I don't know. This is, you know, a legit company. It says what it is. You know, it's for a Toyota Highlander, 14 and 19. Mine's a 19. It says what it is. It was recklessly installed because there's nothing here. It says, look, it's nothing. They give you something in the box, a QR code. Maybe I installed it incorrectly. But anyway, that's it. Jesus. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I don't know. Make sure you own a grinder or something that melts or does plastic. I basically use this. You could see the plastic. Just kind of use the wheel very gingerly. Again, thank you. Okay. Ciao for now.